The platen roller must first be removed before removing the auto cutter. Start by opening the paper cover. Extend the left and right levers outward to remove the stoppers, and rotate the levers toward you to remove them. Remove the 4 screws fixing the movable blade. Slide the movable blade towards you to remove it. Next, remove the SA cover before removing the fixed blade. Remove the 4 screws on the bottom of the printer. Lift the SA cover upward and then slide it toward the rear to remove it. Remove the screws holding the fixed blade. Remove the fixed blade. Install the replacement fixed blade. Attach with the screw. Do not over-tighten screws when reinstalling. Install the SA cover. Attach with 4 screws. Install the movable blade. Attach with 4 screws. Install the platen roller. Lower the levers on both sides of the platen roller to affix it. Check the operation. Connect the cable connector of the AC adapter to the power connector. Connect the AC power cord to the AC adapter and plug into a power outlet. Open the paper cover and load paper. Turn on the power while pressing the feed key to perform test print. Check the operation.